I had a problem with the grinding through the years, and they were wearing away, and they were embarrassing. So when I did smile, I would not do a real smile. I would do a hidden smile.
Well, when Keith first came to us, he's a very happy person. He loves to smile, but he was not confident with the shape and the shade of his teeth, and he wanted to have a great smile. We went over all of his options and different choices that he had to redo his smile, and we were able to place crowns. He chose to have crowns on his posterior teeth, and we placed veneers on his anterior teeth. So we basically gave him a complete new smile. He
held my hand. He's a good guy, he really is. He's a friend now. He told me that it would be okay, and that my fears would be allayed, and it would not be a situation where I would have buyer's regret. To be able to smile and feel confident that your teeth are looking awesome is a very, very important thing in life. It helps in all facets, business, personal, and just feeling good about yourself.
Since the procedure, he's extremely happy, and he tells everybody that he meets who his dentist is and how he got his smile.
The guy's good, and he is my dentist and always will be my dentist until he retires. They're my family. When it comes to dental family, they're my family.